The division of time into 60 minutes in an hour is believed to have originated from ancient Sumeria, an ancient civilization that existed in Mesopotamia, modern-day Iraq, around 4000 to 2000 BCE. The Sumerians developed a numerical system based on the number 60, known as the sexagesimal system, which was widely used in their mathematical and astronomical calculations. The choice of 60 as the base for their numerical system is thought to be influenced by the Sumerians' observations of celestial bodies. They noticed that the stars appeared to move in 360-degree circles around the Earth, and they divided these circles into smaller units of 60. This sexagesimal system was highly practical because 60 has several divisors, including 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, and 60 itself. This made calculations involving fractions and proportions much easier. The ancient Sumerian sexagesimal system was inherited and further developed by subsequent civilizations such as the Babylonians and the ancient Greeks. Eventually, it spread to other cultures and became the basis for measuring time. When the concept of hours was introduced, it was divided into 60 minutes, with each minute consisting of 60 seconds. This convention has been used in various cultures and societies for centuries and continues to be the standard way of measuring time today.